Do you know why so many people work hard for years yet still feel stuck, stressed, and one emergency away from trouble? It's not because they're lazy, and it's certainly not because they lack talent. It's because they were never taught how money actually works in real life. Schools focus on grades, tests, and careers, but skip the lessons that shape daily financial decisions for decades. In this video, we'll share the top 8 money lessons schools never teach but everyone needs. These lessons are practical principles that quietly shape whether money becomes a tool or a constant source of pressure. If you understand these lessons early, financial decisions become clearer and far less overwhelming. Let's dive in. 1. Income is not the same as wealth. The first lesson sounds simple, yet it confuses most people for their entire lives. Income is not wealth. Earning more money does not automatically make you financially secure. Many people believe the solution to money stress is a higher salary. They chase promotions, overtime, and better job titles. When the raise arrives, spending rises with it. A bigger house, a newer phone, better clothes. At the end of the month, the stress remains. Wealth is not about how much money comes in. It's about how much stays, how it's used, and how it grows over time. Someone earning a modest income who saves and invests consistently can build far more stability than someone earning double but spending almost everything. This lesson explains why high earners can feel broke and why some ordinary workers quietly build strong financial positions. Understanding this early changes behavior. You stop measuring success by salary alone. You start watching savings rates and long-term progress. 2. Compound growth rewards time, not effort. Schools teach math, but they rarely teach how time multiplies money. Compound growth is one of the most powerful forces in finance, yet many people discover it late after years of missed opportunity. Compounding works when money earns returns, and those returns start earning returns as well. In the beginning, progress looks slow. The numbers barely move. This is where many people lose interest and stop. They assume it's not working. Long-term builders understand this phase. They know compounding feels boring before it feels rewarding. Time is the key ingredient. Small, consistent contributions made early often outperform larger efforts made later. Waiting for the perfect moment usually leads to waiting forever. While people wait, time passes, and compounding never starts. Those who benefit most from compound growth are not the smartest or the luckiest. They are the ones who start early, stay consistent, and allow time to do its work. 3. Time is more valuable than money. Money can be earned, but time cannot. This lesson changes how you think about both money and life. Every expense represents time traded for money. When you spend without thinking, you are spending hours, days, or weeks of your life. Many people focus only on the price tag, not the time behind it. Long-term thinkers evaluate money decisions differently. They ask whether a purchase saves time or consumes more of it. Some expenses create convenience and reduce stress. Others add obligations and pressure. A lifestyle filled with costly commitments steals time twice. First, time is spent earning the money, then more time is spent maintaining what was bought. Over time, life feels busy but unfulfilled. People who value time build systems that protect it. They avoid unnecessary financial complexity. They keep spending simple and look for ways to create flexibility, not just higher income. 4. Job security is not real security. Schools often present a stable job as the ultimate goal. Study hard, get hired, stay loyal, everything will be fine. Real life does not work that way. Industries change, companies restructure, and technology replaces roles. Even strong performers can face sudden income loss. A paycheck feels safe until it disappears. Real security does not come from one employer. It comes from flexibility, skills that remain useful, and savings that create breathing room. People who understand this lesson prepare quietly. They build emergency funds. They learn skills that transfer across roles. They explore additional income streams when possible. This doesn't mean living in fear, it means planning with realism. A small financial buffer can turn a crisis into an inconvenience. Those who rely entirely on one income source carry hidden risk. Those who build resilience gain confidence and calm. 5. Taxes reward knowledge, not effort. Taxes confuse many people because they are rarely explained clearly. As a result, people avoid learning about them and hope for the best. This often leads to overpaying or making avoidable mistakes. The tax system does not punish hard work, it rewards understanding. People who know the rules plan better. They structure income and expenses more efficiently. They keep more of what they earn legally. This lesson is not about avoiding responsibility. It's about awareness. Understanding how income is taxed, what records matter, and what deductions apply can make a meaningful difference over time. Even basic tax knowledge reduces stress. You stop fearing deadlines. You stop reacting at the last minute. Instead, you plan ahead. Those who ignore taxes often feel frustrated, believing the system is unfair. Those who learn the basics realize that preparation changes outcomes. 6. Smart debt avoids traps. Debt is a tool that can either help or harm your financial journey. Schools teach about borrowing, but they rarely explain how to manage debt wisely. High-interest debt, like credit cards, can be a trap that holds you back, draining your financial resources with high monthly payments and excessive interest charges. It's easy to fall into a cycle of debt where the money you owe keeps growing, but your progress toward financial freedom feels stagnant. However, when used correctly, debt can be an incredibly powerful tool for building wealth. Using loans for investments or purchasing income-generating assets like real estate or stocks can put you on the path to financial growth. The key is understanding how to use debt strategically, ensuring that the borrowed money works for you and not against you. Debt isn't inherently bad. It's all about how you manage it. Always prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. Credit card debt, payday loans, and personal loans typically come with some of the highest interest rates, so clearing these as soon as possible should be your top priority. Once these high-interest debts are under control, you can start using other forms of credit to your advantage. Think of debt as a tool to leverage, not as something that controls you. By using debt wisely, such as through low-interest loans for assets that appreciate over time, you can accelerate wealth creation without sacrificing financial security. Building this kind of discipline with debt allows you to balance the risks and rewards, ultimately setting yourself up for long-term success. 7. Saving and investing create balance. Saving is important, but investing is where your wealth grows. Schools often focus on saving, but they don't teach the importance of investing. Saving money can only take you so far. Over time, inflation erodes the purchasing power of cash. But when you invest, you can grow your wealth faster than the rate of inflation. It's not enough to save money. Putting that money into investments like stocks, bonds, or real estate is where the magic happens. The key to wealth building is finding the right balance. Saving creates a cushion, but investing grows your financial future. Make sure to set aside money for both saving and investing. By doing so, you ensure that you are protected in the short term while also building long-term wealth. In the long run, investments are what give your money the ability to work for you, multiplying and compounding into greater sums. 8. Conscious spending protects progress. Many people live paycheck to paycheck because they never learned the art of conscious spending. It's not about how much you earn, but how wisely you manage your money. Schools don't teach budgeting or how to prioritize needs over wants. It's important to understand where your money is going. By tracking your expenses and making mindful decisions, you can allocate your resources to things that truly matter. Conscious spending means being intentional about every purchase. It doesn't mean living frugally, it means spending in a way that aligns with your values. If you spend money on things that bring joy or help you build wealth, that's conscious spending. If you're spending on things that drain you or don't contribute to your long-term goals, it's time to reassess. Managing your money intentionally helps you protect your progress and achieve financial freedom. There you have it, 8 money skills schools never teach, but everyone needs. These lessons help shift the way you view money and empower you to make smarter financial decisions. By understanding these principles, you can take control of your financial future. If this video helped you see money differently, like it, share it with someone who feels stuck but never learned these basics. Subscribe to the channel for more practical lessons that make money simpler and life calmer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.